A. A is for airplane. B. B is for butterfly. C. C is for caterpillar. D. D is for dinosaur. E. E is for elephant. F. F is for fish. G. G is for grapes. H. H is for hen. I is for ice cream. J. J is for jellyfish. K. K is for kite. L. L is for lion. M. M is for monkey. N. N is for nest. O. O is for orange. P. P is for parrot. Q. Q is for queen. R. R is for robot. S. S is for sun. T. T is for train. U. U is for umbrella. V. V is for violin. W. W is for watch. X. X is for X-ray. Y. Y is for yellow. Z. Z is for zebra. Did you learn something new and have fun watching our A to Z adventure with cool animations? If you enjoyed it, give us a big thumbs up and subscribe for more awesome videos.